Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're looking at John running at different speeds as part of his training program, with this graph showing his heart rate at different times throughout the workout, where time is measured on the x-axis. And we're asked, on which interval is the target heart rate strictly increasing, then strictly decreasing? So, if we want our heart rate to be increasing, that means that as time increases, heart rate increases. Decreasing means as time increases, the heart rate decreases. And constant means that as time increases, the heart rate stays the same. And one of these intervals is gonna fit increasing, then decreasing. So firstly, let's look at 10 and 30. So from 0 to 10, both are increasing at the same time, so therefore we have an increasing heart rate. Then the heart rate is constant from 10 to 30. So for A, we have increasing, then constant. For B, between 40 and 60 minutes. From here to here, both are increasing at the same time, so the heart rate is increasing. Then as time increases from 50 to 60, the heart rate decreases. So it's decreasing. For C, between 50 and 65, from 50 to 60, we found right here, it was decreasing. Then from 60 to 65, as time increases, the heart rate increases, so then it is increasing. And finally, D, between 70 and 90, from 70 to roughly 80, as time increases, the heart rate stays the same, so that's constant. Then from where we left off to roughly 85, it looks like, as one increases, the other increases, so it's increasing. And then after that, as time increases, the heart rate stays the same, so it's back to being constant. So we're asked on which interval is the target heart rate strictly increasing, then strictly decreasing, and that lines up with answer B.